Yo! How are you guys? So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. And for today's video, we're going to react another Manipur song. Alright, so the title of this music video is Ngaijabasu by Johnny and Maxima. And it was uploaded by MAMI TAIBANG. Thank you so much, MAMI TAIBANG, for always there to allowing me to react your different videos. So before we start, make sure that you're subscribing my channel, guys, and don't forget to hit my bell for more latest update on my channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. Focus a film Manipur. MAMI TAIBANG.
Into your eyes,
Wow.
I see the love. You're the
Like the intro,
reason
guys.
you're by
Intro.
my
English, guys.
It's a beautiful. Don't
It's a beautiful.
let me down.
No doubt that
Oh,
it's a beautiful. Wow. Oh. Ooh. Look at this guy. See the road there. They're riding. They're riding.
Laklo'y gimanda, layro'y ginagta, wahala'y bu, nung sibi nang na. Lepliva Philipsu, hong laro'y kali, taning ligasidi, nang nanong
Look at behind them, the view.
Ngaijabasu, kuire, nang tabo, sondo na. Wala lele di nung sibi mikuk matang oy rasu.
When you listen the music, guys, no doubt I'm so enjoying with this kind of music, guys. Look at that. Did you hear that, guys? Wow! Look at, I like the rhythm of this music by this guy and this lady. See that? All the artists here, handsome and very gorgeous ladies. There's some Manipur song, guys. Mostly, guys, the ladies and the guy, they're so handsome and very, very beautiful. Oh, wow! Oh, I like the mixing of this music, guys. There's some English and then Manipur language. Yeah. If I'm going to sleep, guys, I want to hear like this music. Maybe this kind of music in my country, guys, this is just like a love song. Yes, I love songs.
Utlanım, potahalo, wahalano, tamoy sibo, Nangay nungsiba na todo na ibu Thang liba kong thang sisu Lo liba thamoy gi marosu Thamoy sibu sumhat libi nang gini Ying binu lamlan ba kanada Mitado no kanada Oye ginang say tagi Mapoksi magi
I like the level up of these musicians. Wow. Look at the view.
Ngaijabasu kuya nang tabu solduna wala lalay di nung sibi nikuk matang oy rasu wata hello laita zabi nung sinang di wahida nung sibi.
Oh, wow. What? Woo! What kind of song is one, guys? I like to sleep, guys. I like to sleep now. And listening Manipur music, guys. Woo! Even the sounds, wow. It's a pure Manipur song, guys. Whew. Just like, I said a while ago, guys, that I love music, guys. Here in my country, guys, every time that I want to sleep, I want to hear a love song so that I can sleep. Yes, I can easy to sleep while listening love song. And now here in Doha, Qatar, guys, some of my music in my phone, I'm always listening Manipur song, guys. To be honest to you guys, that's why that I'm always searching in YouTube, guys, Manipur song, because some of the my favorite, guys, is a love song or a Manipur love song, guys. And the good things here, guys, there's some kind of Manipur music that makes me crying sometimes. Yes, especially when I watching the story of the music. That's so good for me, guys. And thank you so much, because there's a lot of Manipur song that requested in my comment section, guys. And every time there is a request, I'm looking again, and I'm looking immediately in the YouTube, and then I'm listening that one before I react. Yes, so that every time that I react this one, guys, I have a feeling to show this to you guys, to all of you. I have a feeling to share this to all of you. That's why I'm so thankful, and I'm so glad that some of my viewers loving me and always there to support me. Yes, for this reaction of video on my channel, and I'm so thankful also for that. So guys, I hope you enjoy again on this kind of Manipur song that I react for today, and I hope that some of you will always happy on my reaction of video, guys, because I'm not so good in speaking in English, guys, because it's hard for me to speak English, but I try my best, guys, to understand, or I try my best to deliberate physically. Yes. And you know, even though there's some viewers there complaining about my reaction, that's a good for me, because if there's no viewers that are complaining, guys, I don't know what is my fault, what is my wrong about my pronunciation, about my reading, about my reaction. So that's fine for me, guys. I'm not angry for that, because you're saying the truth, you're telling the truth for me. And don't worry, guys, but I just doing my best to react and deliver it very clearly. Okay? Alright, so please, guys, before we end this music video or this reaction of video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for more latest update on my channel. So thank you, guys. See you around on my next reaction of video. I love you so much, guys, and God bless you. Bye.